In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send an email instantly after a Google form is submitted. So as you can see here, once we have a new lead form submission, we click on send. The lead is now both updated in the Google Sheet, as you can see here, and he has received a new email, which you can see here. Just refresh that. There you go. A new email is received. Thanks for signing up, Jens. So that is the name I submitted in the Google Sheet, Google form. So the first thing we will need to do is head over to make.com and choose a new scenario. So once we're in here, we want to create a custom webhook. So we click on webhook and custom webhook. And then we need to head over to the Google form that we have made. Now I'm guessing you know how to make a Google form, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. But we basically have made a Google customer sign up here. So as you can see here, we have a customer sign up. So the thing we'll need to do is we can go into Google Sheets and we can make a new sheet that is called customer sign up. Let's just make this, wait for this to load. Okay, there we go. So in here we can call this sheet customers. That's what we can call it. Now we need to have then we actually don't need to do anything more. We can just head it back over to our Google form, click on answers and connect to the Google Sheet and choose an existing Google Sheet. And let's just wait for it to load. Then we pick our customers Google Sheet, pick that one, and then we're good to go. Now the leads will be updated in our Google Sheets, as you can see here under time, name, and email. Now for the sending of the email. So what we'll actually need to do in here is we will need to come over to these three dots up in the right-hand corner and click on script editing. So the script is something I will give you in the description down below. You can get the script there. You do not need to know how to code. We will basically use this script as I've used here. We just copy this script. As I said, it will be available down in the description below. Copy this script and just paste it in here. And then we need to go back to our make.com scenario. And we need to add a new webhook. Just call it our Google form new customer. And then click on save. Now we need to copy this address to our clipboard. Go back over to the script editing and then paste that URL in here. There we go. And then we can call this, let's call this new customer tutorial. There we go. And then we can click on save. And now we need to run it so that make.com understands what the inputs it will get is. So once that is run, let's see. Okay, so you might get a pop-up here, where you need to allow your Gmail to do this for make.com. And you also will have to do your first sign up with this new Google form that you made, or else this will not work. So just make one form submission and it will work as it should. Now we can go over to the release. I don't know what it's called in English. Releases down in here. Triggers, that's what it's called. And then we need to create a new trigger. And this needs to be on submit primary from the form, but it needs to be from form submission. Then you can save that. And now when we head back over to, okay, could not authorize. Let's see what that is. Now we need to authorize our mail again. This is how it is with make.com, because your Gmail is very strict and does not want you to basically do automations, let third parties do automations. So you just need to allow that. Let's see. And here you need to click on advanced and then go to new customer tutorial and then click on, let's see here, allow. And then we're good to go, I believe. There we go. We have our new trigger down here. And now we can try this automation. Let's see if we just click on OK and run this once. Well, we don't have any data, so we can't run it once. We need to stop that. Now what we need to do is we need to connect to our Gmail. I have another video, short video, how you can connect to your Gmail account to send an email, but we will just use the one I have already connected. So let's just search for email and send email. Now I will connect to my preferred email account. Let's see here. This one will work. Not saving the message after it is sent. And the email address I will send it to will be the email that we get from our submission. And the subject will just be thanks for signing up. Then we want to do a plain text for the email. Just say thanks for signing up, name from the form submission. And then we can click on OK. And now we can say that this will be run immediately as data arrives. Save this scenario. And now we can try to sign up again. Let's see here with our name. So we have Jens and my email. If I can spell correctly, let's see. There we go. Okay, now click on send. And we should receive an email and also see that we have not connected the customers. We have connected the customers. Here we go. So we have my email again, and we should have received an email, which we have done. There we go. And that's how we send an email instantly after a Google Forms submission. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.